Hi guys, so today you're gonna need some shine and jam, some combs, rat tail comb, in particular, brush, clips, scalp oil containing tea tree, preferably, some moisturizer for your hair, your ends, and some wine because we're gonna be here for a while, and also a spray bottle with water and conditioner so your hair won't get dry while it's waiting on the braid. Now, this is my hair freshly out of a deep conditioner, and I just put it in 2 twists. For the passion twist, I feel as though the passion twists, they blend better with your natural hair, so it's best to do this on your hair while it's in its most natural state, not when it's blow dried, if that makes sense, or straightened. So yeah, you just see me detangling and we're gonna get into it. And one thing I do suggest you guys get is a wall mirror, so you can see the back of your hair. This really helped me a lot while doing my twists. So I got this from Amazon. Just look up shower mirror. It's really a shower mirror, but yeah, just look up shower mirrors on Amazon and it really comes in handy, guys. So I definitely recommend this. Now we're going in with some shine and jam to define our part, and we're gonna use that rat tail comb. The shine and jam and the rat tail comb together really does make that fart. Oh my god, what's going on? That part really nice and precise, which is what we need for that professional look. Now this is the Bohemian Twist hair by Free Tress. And now you just see me going in and braiding. This is just a regular knot braid, really simple. If y'all don't know how to do this, just look up on YouTube how to start a braid, adding extensions. But yeah, you just see me braiding till I get in the middle. And when I do get to the middle where my hair ends and the extensions begin, I use a little bit of shine and jam to blend my hair with it. And yeah, so we are about like 4 hours in. I'm going to show you guys one more time. So I'm brushing. I am adding a little bit of moisture on the ends. So this is a protective style. You want to make sure your ends are secured and tucked away. Otherwise, this would be a protective style. So yeah, I'm going in, I'm braiding. Make sure the braid is tight. And make sure you go farther enough down so it wouldn't unravel. And we're twisting. Part it as neatly as possible. And I did bigger twist towards the back, as you can see. I intended it for it to be smaller, but I really don't have time to sit here and do small twists, so yeah. And I'm gonna put a little shine and jam on the ends. This is very important when blending the twist together. I'm gonna brush it. Now I'm taking my Bohemian crochet, and now I'm just kind of putting some frizz onto it, and we braid. Pause, guys. So I end up dividing this section into 2 squares. I definitely underestimated the density of my hair and the crochet hair, so yeah. So make sure your hair's density with each part matches the fake hair's density. As you can see, I was trying to do an underhand braid, but it just didn't work on my head. I would have to do it on another person's head. When doing your own head, I learned that you have to do an overhand braid. Well, I have to. So that's the easiest method for me. Yeah, so I'm going to speed through this process and you guys continue watching. Uh-oh, y'all. My hair came out. Let's try that again. Yeah, guys, this is very time consuming. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I knew this was going to be a while, but I didn't really get tired until like 4:30, which is now. At 2 o'clock, I was like, oh my gosh, it's 2 o'clock. And I'm still braiding. No breaks, by the way. But yeah, the parting is what got me the most, because when parting the back of your head, you need some type of mirror or help and with like parting, because it's literally no way you can do it without some help or a mirror, 2 mirrors like I have right here. Hey guys, so this is about 4 weeks later. I ended up keeping those passion twists that you guys saw in the video for about 2 weeks. I did the rest of the part when I woke up in the morning because it was like 4 a.m. and I just didn't have the time or energy. So I actually redid the passion twist, and now I definitely worked on my parting, as you can see. I'll take this ponytail down and show you guys, because the parting that y'all saw in the video, it was okay for the first time. Definitely improved the second time, and you can see, so it's that. These are the edges. And yeah, guys, so the first passion twist, they actually lasted and they didn't really unravel like that, which I'm very surprised in. One mistake that I did do was the grip game, but it wasn't on point. And as you can tell in one of the clips, my hair, well, the passion twist hair actually slid right off my own hair because my grip wasn't there yet. And definitely my grip has improved since the last time. So all it takes is a little practice. Anybody can do it at home. This is definitely a wonderful DIY style. So if you guys enjoy this video and want to see more DIY styles, give this video a like, thumbs it up, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.